If you want to improve air quality in your home or office, this air purifier made by Membrane Solutions is a very good choice. It is model MSA3. It uses a disposable HEPA air filter, which is very easy to replace and it's inexpensive to buy on Amazon. The controls are very easy to use. This shows the air filter life. You can also use a timer to set it to run for a certain amount of hours. I usually run it nonstop at a low setting, and that keeps my air quality under control. We have a handle in the back, which allows you to carry this air purifier to a different room, for example. I've had this for a couple of years, and it's working great. Keeps our air quality very good, and also reduces odors. We have a dog, and it picks up the hair very well. There's also a turbo mode, which increases the fan speed and cleans your air quicker. You can hear a little bit of a difference in noise, but still it's very quiet. I have my microphone right next to it, and you can hear the difference. If I turn the turbo off, it's as if it's not even working, but it's doing a very good job. It's putting a lot of air over here. Sucks it in right here. The filter is right behind this cover, and it's doing a great job of cleaning the air.